This is Jason from the QuickBooks team. One of the most powerful things you can do in QuickBooks Desktop is run reports to see how your business is performing. Let's go over how to run two of the most common reports, the balance sheet and the profit and loss. Then we'll show you how you can customize your reports using different filters and ranges so you only see what you need to make the best decisions possible for your business. Select Reports, Report Center. You can run reports for any area of your business from the Report Center. Select Run for the Balance Sheet Standard. The balance sheet shows you a list of all your bank and credit card accounts, as well as other asset, liability, and equity accounts. You see each account and the balance of the account. The balance sheet shows your balances as of today, but if you want to see your balance sheet from a previous date, select the appropriate date from the menu, or enter a custom date. If you want to see fewer details for a specific section of the balance sheet, select the arrows to the left of the account names to collapse the sub-accounts. Now you see one line with a total for that section. Select the arrow again to view the details once more. Another useful report is the Profit and Loss Statement. Select Reports, Company and Financial, Profit and Loss Standard. QuickBooks displays a report of all your income, cost of goods sold, and expense accounts. The totals for each account are a summary of all the transactions that affect the account in a specific date range. This profit and loss statement is for the current month. Let's customize this report to compare your business's performance over each month throughout the year. Select Customize Report. From the Dates list, select this fiscal year to date. In the Column section, choose to display the columns by month. You can also use this option to split the report by customer, vendor, item, or other time frames. Select OK. Now you see the income and expenses for each month so far this year across the columns. Select Customize Report again to compare different periods. Change the dates to this month. In the Columns section, display the columns by total only. Select the box for previous period, dollar change, and percentage change. You can also choose to compare the same period in different years, or as a percentage of the total columns or rows. Select OK. Now you can compare this month's income and expenses to your income and expenses from the previous month. The change columns show you the difference as a dollar amount and a percentage. Now you can customize reports to gain insight into different aspects of your business.